Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Quadratec 2-inch Hitch Receiver D-Ring Shackle Mount combos. If you're looking for a great way to add an additional recovery point to your Wrangler and you have a 2-inch style hitch, well, this is the perfect way to do it. It's a great compact solution that you can keep stored in the back of your Wrangler, ready to go at a moment's notice when you find yourself or a friend maybe stuck in a tough situation where an extra recovery point will come in handy for attaching a tow strap or a winch line. Simply install this into your 2-inch hitch receiver and you're ready to go. Now, in each kit, you will receive a forged 2-inch receiver hitch mount. Now, this does feature a 7/8 inch diameter hole for our shackle there. And you'll also get your choice of our 3/4 inch shackle, which does utilize that 7/8 inch screw pin. Now, each of these shackles have a working load limit of 4 3/4 tons, and then we've done independent testing, and these have been designed to exceed 5 times that safe working load limit. Now, you'll also get a new hitch pin as well as a pin clip in the kit, and as you can see, we have them available in your choice of 5 different color combinations. Now, starting down here, you can choose the hot dip galvanized finish or 4 different color powder coat options. We've got the gloss red, yellow, black, as well as the wrinkle black finish down here. Now, if you already have some of the 3/4 shackles and you say to yourself, well, I'd love to just go ahead and pick up that 2-inch hitch receiver mount, well, we sell this part separately as well. If you guys have any comments or questions about the Quadratec 2-inch hitch receiver D-Ring Mount, you can leave those for us below or hit us up directly at any of the options on the screen. If you want to purchase one for your Jeep, simply click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest product reviews. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.